Paresh Grocer from Center for Energy Sciences. Based on scientific knowledge, I have various instruments that I use for my consultation. This is the first instrument, which is called a Leica antenna. Now with this instrument, I do consultation. I check the energy of the premise. I check the energy of the human aura energy with the corrections that are required, which are the root cause, and accordingly I give the corrections. Energies that are checked through this instrument. One of them is the geopathic stress. Now this instrument works on what? It works on the principle of resonance. Means when two tuning forks are taken together and when one is rung and brought near the second one, automatically the second one also vibrates. This is the principle of resonance. So with the same principle this instrument works. I keep on a particular frequency, and when that frequency is there in the space, this instrument automatically resonates. I have to catch it so tight that there is almost the boils on my fingers. I think the sensitivity of the people. Our body is like a sponge. It keeps on absorbing radioactive electromagnetic radiations from all around the environment. And many people are not able to discharge radiations. So this instrument helps me to find out a person if he is sensitive to this electromagnetic radiation. So accordingly, the corrections can be done. Resonant field imaging. At the 40 different points on the human body, this machine is held and the readings are noted down, and on the software they are loaded and a report is generated, which helps mathematics what we require to do in a consultation, and it is in Chinese, and I have been trained to read these characters in Chinese and do the calculations, and accordingly I use these minor subtle calculations to align main doors or to align the main tables in office, mobile towers. When a mobile is on, it will show the radiation which can go up to red color, which shows that highly electromagnetic radiations are around you. If you are in a building where there is high electromagnetic radiation, this will immediately blink, which you can understand. Even in the house we use microwave ovens. 3 feet away from the microwave oven, still it blinks red, which shows that the microwave is so dangerous for us at 3 feet away, and we use that food cooked in that and we consume that, which you can understand that food cooked in the microwave, how good it is for us. Ordinary measure tape, but this measure tape has dimensions mentioned with red and black color, which shows the positive and the negative dimensions to be given. So this basically I use to give dimensions of the main door, main table, even bed, and specific if any furniture is made, then also I can give the specific dimensions for the same. Remedies into the human aura. This is one more instrument that I use, which is called the biofeedback energy tester. A human body has 24 acupuncture meridians with this instrument, and one can analyze whether the meridian is either very strong or weak, and accordingly a treatment can be done. Actually what I do in a consultation is that I go into the premise, I check the energy of the space of the people, and accordingly then finally I derive and come to the conclusion. Now what I do in my consultations is, when a raw flat is given to me, I also use in the flooring many gemstones. So that you can understand, I check the energy of the space. I also check the geopathic stress, which is the main cause of negative energy, which is the main cause of stress and cancer nowadays. You can see the person lying on the bed and these negative geomagnetic lines are passing, and this becomes the main spot where the body will be defective.